How to disable YouTube Shorts. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can disable YouTube Shorts from your home feed. Started. First of all, head over to after you're on your YouTube, you will need to head over to your profile section that is on the bottom right. Now after you're there, tap on the settings on the top right. Now scroll down till you see the playback option under video and audio preferences and tap on playback. Now there you will see playbacks in feed. Tap on it and now turn this off. After you've done that, you can head back to your YouTube homepage. So now after you're on your YouTube homepage, you will see the shorts section. Now after you see the shorts section, what you'll need to do is you will see each of this YouTube shorts has the three dots on the top right of its area. Simply tap on one and then tap on not interested. Now do that for each and every one of that. So let us just remove these shorts here. Now as you can see, all of these shorts were removed. Now I'll tap on the shorts as a whole and then tap on show fewer shorts. Now if you scroll down for a bit, you should find another section of shorts. Now do the same. Do not interested for each and one of these. And yeah, now you're basically good to go. So head over to the top and refresh your home feed. Now after you refresh it, if you scroll down, you should notice that now shorts is not available here and you do not have the shorts. And yeah, that is basically how you disable your YouTube shorts, guys. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for